Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to talk about something that many people wonder about, but might feel hesitant to discuss. How to manage and reduce compulsive masturbation. It's a completely private and personal topic, and if you're looking for ways to gain more control over this habit, you're in the right place. Our goal here is to offer supportive, practical advice to help you build a healthier relationship with yourself. Let's explore 5 constructive strategies together. First, let's talk about understanding your triggers. Compulsive behaviors often aren't random. They're responses to specific situations, feelings, or even times of day. Maybe it's boredom, stress, loneliness, or scrolling through certain types of content online. The first step to change is awareness. Try keeping a simple, private journal for a week. Don't judge yourself. Just observe. When do you feel the urge most strongly? What were you doing or thinking right before? Were you feeling anxious, sad, or just had nothing else to do? Identifying these patterns is like getting a map of your own mind. Once you know what leads you down that path, you can start to choose a different route. For example, if you notice the urge strikes when you're bored and aimlessly browsing your phone at night, that's a huge clue. Recognizing these triggers is a powerful first step toward making a conscious change. Our second strategy is all about replacing the habit with positive alternatives. Once you know your triggers, you can plan ahead. If boredom is a major trigger, think about what you genuinely enjoy doing. What's a hobby you've always wanted to try? Maybe it's learning to play the guitar, sketching, or trying out a new recipe. The key is to have engaging activities ready to go. If stress is your trigger, find healthier ways to unwind. This could be going for a run, listening to a calming podcast, doing some deep breathing exercises, or even just calling a friend to chat. The idea isn't just to resist an urge, but to actively fill that space with something that enriches your life. When an urge appears, instead of fighting it head on, you can say, "Okay, I see you. But right now I am going to go for a walk, or I am going to practice this new song." It's about redirecting your energy towards something productive and fulfilling. This approach empowers you by giving you other choices, making the old habit less appealing over time. Third on our list is modifying your environment. Our surroundings have a huge impact on our behavior, often in ways we don't even realize. If you've identified that certain situations make it harder to resist urges, it's time to make some practical changes. For example, if you tend to spend a lot of time alone in your bedroom with your laptop, try to change that routine. Do your work or watch movies in a more common area of your home, like the living room. Another simple but effective tip is to manage your device usage, especially before bed. Avoid taking your phone or laptop into bed with you. Instead, leave it charging across the room. This creates a small but meaningful barrier. You could also use website blockers or apps designed to limit your access to triggering content online. These aren't about punishing yourself. They're about creating an environment that supports your goals and makes it easier for you to succeed. Think of it as setting up your space for success, making the path of positive choices the path of least resistance. Our fourth point is a big one. Focus on your physical and mental well-being. A healthy mind lives in a healthy body, and taking care of yourself physically can have a massive impact on your self-control and emotional state. Regular exercise is a fantastic tool. It releases endorphins, which are natural mood boosters, and it helps reduce stress and excess energy in a positive way. You don't have to become a marathon runner overnight. A brisk walk, a short home workout, or a bike ride can make a world of difference. Along with exercise, pay attention to your sleep. A lack of quality sleep can weaken your willpower and make you more susceptible to acting on impulse. Aim for a consistent sleep schedule. And of course, what you eat matters too. A balanced diet can help stabilize your mood and energy levels throughout the day. When you feel good physically, you're better equipped to handle emotional triggers and stick to your goals. It's all connected. Finally, our fifth and most important strategy is to seek support and practice self-compassion. Trying to change a deeply ingrained habit all by yourself can be incredibly difficult, and you don't have to go it alone. Talking to someone you trust can be a huge relief. This could be a close friend, a family member, or a professional. A therapist or counselor can provide a safe, non-judgmental space to explore the underlying reasons for your behavior and develop personalized strategies for change. There are many online communities and support groups dedicated to this topic as well, where you can connect with others who understand what you're going through. And while you're on this journey, please be kind to yourself. There will be good days and there will be challenging days. If you have a setback, it doesn't mean you failed. It just means you're human. The goal is progress, not perfection. Acknowledge the effort you're making, learn from the experience, and gently get back on track. True change is a marathon, not a sprint. So, to recap, our 5 strategies are: understand your triggers, replace the habit with positive activities, modify your environment, focus on your physical and mental well-being, and seek support while practicing self-compassion. Remember, this journey is about gaining control and building a life that feels more aligned with your values. It's about channeling your energy in ways that make you proud. If you are struggling and feel overwhelmed, please know that professional help is available and can make a significant difference. You can find resources for mental health support through organizations like the National Alliance on Mental Illness or by searching for local counseling services in your area. Reaching out is a sign of strength. Thank you so much for watching and for being part of this important conversation. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more content on personal growth and well-being. Share your thoughts or any other helpful tips in the comments below. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video.